If you think Forex is scam, drop the reason why in the comment section below. If you think Forex is not scam, drop the reason why in the comment section below. You are welcome. Good day everyone and welcome. I want to answer the question that is Forex is scam. Is Forex is scam? Is Forex real or not real? I have a mentor online, or I have a teacher, I have a tutor online who tutors me in some areas. I learn something from him and he makes money online and I'm learning some things from him. He does not like trading Forex. In fact, he said he traded Forex for some years, he traded for banks, traded for this, and then the money eventually got lost. He's saying in Forex you make money and then you lose money. Now, what is my own personal take about this? Yes, it is true, you make money and you lose money in Forex, but Forex is not a scam. Online also, you make money online and you also lose money online in different ways. Sometimes you can do a job for somebody online, the person may not pay you. Sometimes so many things happen. And can we also say that the online is scam? Yes, there are scams online, but online is not scam. Forex is not scam. It depends on some principles. Now, when you in Forex, what do people depend upon? What they depend upon is that, okay, last year, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, when something happened like this was what followed it. So it happened in last year, it happened upper year, it happened the year before. When we saw this pattern, this was what followed. So this year also, we have seen this pattern. So this is what we follow. So based on that, Forex traders will take position and knowing that the Forex is repetitive. Forex will repeat itself over a period of time. When you see a particular candle, upper year, the candle behave like this. The following year, the candle behave like this. 3 years ago, the candle behaved in a particular way. So Forex traders, when they want to see that candle, they say the market will behave like in the same way it behaved 3 years ago, 2 years ago, 5 years ago. So they will take position based on that. So it depends on the market to go that way or to change. But most times the market repeats the same pattern. Now, but sometimes the market will not obey that pattern. That may be because of different reasons. Now, if the market does not obey that pattern, what are you going to do? You cut the loss. You say, okay, if the market does not, you make provision for the market not following that pattern. So you make provision by making a stop loss. I have done a video about why you need to put stop loss. I've done another video on how you need to make a take profit based on the past history. When something like that, when the pattern like that formed, where did the market go and at what point should you take profit? You set your take profit at that point. When the market did not obey, what is going to happen? I set my stop loss in case the market does not obey, but your take profit must be bigger than your stop loss. So that if you have 10 trades in a week or in a day or over a period of time, you should be able to make about 7 out of 10 of those 10 trades. If you make 7 out of 10 of those 10 trades, you are going to be in profit because the take profit are more than the stop loss. So based on that alone, Forex is not a scam. It depends on your level of understanding or your level of expertise. Let me say something again. Why some people think Forex is a scam? Currently, I have somebody, a close associate, who we are trading together, and then he was trading his account. In one trade, he will almost double his account. I know it's a demo trade. In one single trade, he's using a strategy, he will almost double the account. But if you can double your account in one trade, you can also lose your account in one trade. The reason is because the market can go against you. Such individual who double the account in a single trade don't make provision for stop loss. That is what happened. It doesn't make provision for stop loss. What it means also is that it doesn't make provision for take profit. So if you don't have this, you are greedy. Anyone that is greedy in the Forex market is not going to make money out of the market. But if you are patient, if you are patiently waiting, let me tell you, I have an account. I was trading. My own personal account, I was trading the account. I know how much I put in the account, and then over time the account went down. It went down. I was losing money. At a point, I just decided to close all the trades and I still have some money. I started trading. Currently, the account is almost double. And this was an account that I was almost giving up over. I left it over time. For 1 week, 2 weeks, the trade was still open. I knew it was going to reverse. And it reversed in my direction, and I closed it at minimal loss, and I closed all my trades, and I started afresh trading on the same account. I built the account up. Some people think you need big money to trade Forex. What you need to do is small money, but with discipline. Small money, keep building the account. You build account in Forex. Some people will go and take big money, sell their car, sell their house, and come and put the money in Forex. You are already under pressure. If you are trading under pressure, you will blow your account. You are the one that will say Forex is calm. Don't trade under pressure. The money that's meant for your school fees of your children, don't come and put it in Forex. Don't put that money in Forex. The money that is your own school fees, your own business money, your house rent, don't put it in Forex. Please. Don't put your house rent in Forex. What you should do is look for money that is not tied to any particular thing per time. If you put your house rent on Forex and your house rent is due in 2 weeks, you are under pressure to multiply, to duplicate the account in just 2 weeks. It is possible to duplicate an account in 2 weeks. To duplicate means to multiply, to double the account in 2 weeks. But if you can double an account in 2 weeks, you can also blow the account in 2 weeks. The shorter time frame you give yourself to trade in Forex, the more the possibility of you crashing your account. These are some of the reasons why people see Forex as scam. People have come and said, Forex, yes, it's true. People make a lot of money in Forex. But people can also lose a lot of money in Forex if there is no discipline. So Forex is real. All you need to do is that, talking about making money in different places, making money in agriculture, from yam farming, from cassava farming. You plant the cassava, you leave the cassava for like a year or 6 months to 1 year, depending on the cultivar and the variety. And you keep mashing, you keep mulching, you keep adding soil and putting soil and keep weeding, and you keep spraying and keep making everything to work out fine. You keep waiting until the cassava is mature. But in Forex, you want to place a trade in 1 minute, and you want to make you want to double your account in 1 minute. How is it possible? Maize, you leave maize for 2 to 3 months before you start harvesting. Between the time before you harvest, before you plant maize, you know what you did. You got the land, you do pre-planting activity, you get the land prepared, you got every other thing ready, and then you plant it. After planting, rain comes. After a month, you weed, and you also you put soil to the roots properly so they can stand erect. Sometimes you fertilize and you leave it there, and then after 3 months you have your maize. Then you go there again, you harvest your maize. But in Forex, you want to double your account in 1 week, and you trade aggressively, and you don't follow the laws of sowing and reaping. That is why people lose money in Forex, and they say Forex is scam. Forex is not a scam. Forex is real. Forex is very, very real, and I can encourage you, go and learn the skill of Forex trading and start trading. You can also do copy trading. You can copy the trade of others and you trade it on your own. You can copy trade. You can copy trade somebody without the person knowing. Go online, look at different platforms where people are trading and giving signals and discussing Forex. Follow the different individuals and see. You can put a demo trade. Somebody call for you, present a free signal, you place it on your demo, and you keep marking, keep in a week or in a month, keep noting all the trade the person placed and you followed, and the one that went the way the person wanted and the one that did not go. Look at how many pips you made over 1 month, over 2 months, and you see that the person is making consistent profit based on the trade calls. Is that not a signal provider for you? It's a free signal provider for you. So you yourself can now become a signal provider to other people based on another signal provider, and from there, you have learned how to trade already. You can now hold on to that person's signal and use it to confirm your own stand or otherwise. Some people provide signals online. I look at different ones. This one will say buy, this one will say sell on the same trade at the same time. Then I also look at my own what analysis have I done. Based on my analysis, I place my trade. Some other people, even that I follow their signals online, at a point they will say, close the trade. It's a bad trade. I will leave it. It turned out to be good. Then the person come out and apologize and say, I'm sorry. So apart from following people, also have your own personal opinion. Fela Nikolako sang the song. He said, if you are following people, open your eyes, open your ears, open your nose, open your mouth. Let your skin be receptive. Have your third eye ready so that you're not following people into the bush. So that you're not following people into the bush and the person come out later and apologize to you. So these are the ways that I think that Forex is not scam. If you think Forex is scam, drop your reasons why you think so in the comment section below. And if you think Forex is not scam, drop the reason why you think Forex is not scam in the comment section below. I am going to talk to you some other time. I have made some series of videos on Forex. It is there in the playlist Forex Money. Check it out. Like this video, share the link of this video, comment in the comment section below, and then subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm going to talk to you some other time. Until then, bye for now.